Medical bills when you leave Canada can add up fast, which is why you need travel medical insurance whenever you leave the country.
But it may surprise you to know you might also want to have additional health insurance when traveling within Canada as well. Here's Pat Foran with a Consumer Alert. Pat.
Thanks, Michelle and Nathan. An Oakville man says he always purchases travel insurance when he leaves Canada, but he did not when he went to Alberta this year. There he had a heart attack, and he was shocked to get a bill for more than $12,000.
Surprised.
Doug McGinley of Oakville has always purchased travel medical insurance when going to the U.S. or if vacationing outside of Canada. But he didn't have travel health insurance when he went to Alberta this past summer. He had chest pains and ended up in hospital in Medicine Hat.
They admitted me into the ER and performed a few tests and determined that I was either suffering or had suffered a mild heart attack.
McGinley had to be flown by air ambulance to Calgary for emergency treatment.
I said, "Who's paying for this?" He goes, "Don't worry, you're covered."
He says he was given excellent care, but he was shocked last month to get a bill from Alberta Health Services for ambulance charges of over $12,000. The flight is not covered under Alberta or Ontario health plans.
I was told it was covered, and they came back and they said, "Transportation is not covered under the Healthcare Act. You owe us the money."
When CTV News reached out to the Ontario Health Ministry, a spokesperson said only services received in publicly funded hospitals are covered. Out-of-province ambulance charges are not covered and are the responsibility of the patient.
The number one item that is not covered travel within Canada is ambulance coverage, whether it be off a mountain skiing in BC or what happened to this individual.
Martin Firestone with Travel Secure says most health services are covered when traveling within Canada, but there are exceptions. Provincial health plans don't cover ambulance, air and ground, mountain and sea rescue, emergency dental services, medical equipment rental, and prescription drugs. Firestone recommends purchasing a product called Travel Within Canada, which is less than $1 a day.
It is available, and some people now, after hearing this story, may say it might be wise to invest in that.
McGinley says he appreciates the care he received, but didn't know he would have such an expensive ambulance bill to pay.
If it can help somebody else avoid the situation I'm in, that's great.
And if you have travel insurance through your work or a plan when you leave Canada, it may also cover expenses when you're in another province. You should check and also make sure your health card is valid and has not expired. On your side, I'm Pat Foran.
If you have a consumer story idea, email us at alert@ctv.ca.